All right. So, my mother asked me, what is Bunfingers College? And so I thought I would make a video from Bunfingers College, explaining a little bit about it. It is, in one basic way, a school of music. And I use this gazebo where I broadcast from as a visual aid to learn about music, because it has these stairs at the entrance. It has over here a ramp, which I think of that as the entrance, as that is the exit, basically. And there are 12. It's a pattern of 12. There are 12 facets. If you look at it as a clock, I'm going to call this 12. Okay? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'm back at 12. And I'll skip ahead a little bit and say that there's a lot to look at, because this is the facet, but then there's a tree that this area kind of frames, and this area frames that beautiful tree. I mean, that beautiful tree there. Whereas that's 12 o'clock, whereas at 1 o'clock you get this very young tree, nicely framed. At 2 o'clock you get another young tree, which kind of pairs with that one in age. 3 o'clock you get more of a distant view of that tree far off, and so on, right? This view you get kind of a far off, a more distant view. This view you get a tree, a group of trees. This one points at the light's not on at the moment, but that ginkgo biloba. This one points far off. This one points at a tree which is dead this year. That tree in the middle used to be where this pointed. Well, it still points to that, but that tree, it's June now, so that tree's dead. Blah de blah, where are we? Points at more of a far off view. This one has a nice close-up view, but also the park, the playground. And then we're back at 12. So there's 12 facets to this gazebo. And of course, if you're going to talk about learning music, well, that's the 12 keys, right? Simple enough. So, and then in the center, you have to add a 13th thing, which is silence. So today I'm going to talk about silence while these tractors mow the lawn. Thanks. See ya. Bye.